Welcome to the best picks. The best cardboard kit is probably one of the most versatile and engaging construction toys available today, offering endless possibilities for creative expression and educational exploration, allowing children and adults alike to design and build their own unique structures, fostering imagination, problem-solving skills, and fine motor development, all while providing hours of fun and entertainment, making it a perfect gift for birthdays, holidays, or any special occasion. Number 5. Kraftic Woodworking Kit. This kit has everything you need to create 6 amazing woodworking projects. It's perfect for kids and adults who love to build and create. It's not just about putting pieces together, it's about the real experience of hammering, nailing, and sanding. Get ready for authentic woodworking fun. You'll receive 80 pieces of real wood, along with all the necessary tools: hammer, nails, sandpaper, glue, pencils, ruler, paint, and brushes. Everything is included. Detailed instructions guide you through each step of the 6 projects. Even beginners can create beautiful, functional items. Beautifully packaged, it makes a fantastic gift for kids aged 4 and up. It's a fun and educational way to spend quality time. With this kit, you can build 6 different models. Each project is designed to be engaging and rewarding. Get ready to unleash your creativity and build something amazing. Order your Kraftic Woodworking Kit now. What we like? It uses real wood and tools, providing an authentic woodworking experience. If you are looking for a hands-on, educational kit that teaches kids practical skills, this is a great choice. It's perfect for kids who enjoy building and crafting with traditional materials and tools. What people say? Wood pieces are nice, not cheap and thin. Boys plan on making the bird houses with Grandpa for Mother's Day. Great way to get kids away from the electronic, and they don't take hours. Also great learning experience for them to begin to use tools. He sat down with his great-grandpa and built the truck. They had a great time doing it and look forward to making the rest of them. My 6-year-old loves this and was able to do it without much help. Instructions are super simple and easy to follow. He is proud of his finished product every time. Number 4. Makedo Explore Toolbox. With the Makedo Explore Toolbox, kids can build anything they can imagine. It's a fun and creative way to use cardboard, a material inducted into the National Toy Hall of Fame. Cardboard is a fantastic building material. It's readily available, durable, and can be reused and recycled, making it an eco-friendly choice. Perfect for home or classroom, this toolkit is ideal for smaller groups. It makes learning fun while being kind to the planet. Makedo sparks independent creation and imaginative play. Children become the protagonists in their own hackable world. Kids learn by doing, creating, and experimenting with Makedo. These reusable tools let them build anything they dream up. What we like? It's all about sustainability and creativity with reusable tools and readily available cardboard. If you are looking for an eco-conscious and open-ended building experience, this is the perfect option. It promotes imaginative play and reduces waste. Number 3. Makedo Discover Toolbox. Gather your friends and family for endless building fun. This kit is perfect for solo builders or large groups, unleashing creativity in everyone. It uses readily available cardboard, making it a sustainable and durable building material. Fold, saw, and punch holes, the possibilities are endless. It's ideal for home or classroom use, fostering educational fun while being eco-friendly. Let's build a greener future, one creation at a time. It encourages independent making and imaginative play. Children become the protagonists in their own hackable world, creating and exploring without limits. Kids learn by doing, creating, and experimenting. With this, they can build anything they imagine, sparking their creativity and problem-solving skills. Get ready for hours of fun and learning with this amazing construction kit. It's the perfect gift for young creators. What we like? This kit is perfect for group projects and allows for multiple builders to collaborate. If you're looking for a larger kit with more tools and options for collaborative building, this is a great choice. It's ideal for classrooms or families who enjoy building together. What people say? The tools are sturdy and safe for little hands. It would take a lot of force for them to hurt themselves. It's one of those toys that rarely gets put away. The tools are simple to use, even for a 4 or 5 years old. The screws are reusable. Endless possibilities. Number 2. NatGeo Indoor Fort Kit. Unleash your child's creativity with 225 pieces. It's so easy to build amazing indoor forts with endless possibilities. Flexible connectors make building a breeze. Watch them create tents, castles, or even dome-shaped forts. It's made with sturdy poles and flexible hubs. The 12 included clips easily secure blankets or sheets, not included. A building guide provides step-by-step instructions for a pyramid and an airplane. It helps them learn and build with confidence. We're committed to providing the best hands-on science toys. Your satisfaction is our top priority. What we like? It has many pieces and flexible connectors, enabling the construction of various fort designs. If you are looking for a kit to build impressive and unique forts, this is the one for you. It's perfect for kids who love imaginative play and creating elaborate structures. What people say. Parts plus extras were all there, and there are a ton. The pieces are all sturdy, easy to fit together in many different ways. My kid definitely needs an adult older person to help twist and or insert the poles into the connectors. We put a flat bedsheet over top after this photo was taken and the fort is still sturdy. Number 1. JumpOff Jo Construction Kit. It's time to get creative with JumpOff Jo. This kit has everything you need to build amazing cardboard creations. Let's get started. You'll find 36 screws, a sturdy saw, and a screwdriver, all perfect for constructing your cardboard masterpieces. All you need to add is the cardboard. It's so easy to use. The saw even has a hole punch to make starting your projects a breeze. Simply punch holes, then screw the pieces together. JumpOff Jo isn't just fun, it's educational. It encourages problem solving, critical thinking, and early STEM skills through creative play. Let your imagination run wild. Build spaceships, castles, or secret forts. Add paint, fabric, the possibilities are endless. It's the perfect screen-free activity that will keep kids engaged for hours. Plus, it's sustainable, using easily recyclable cardboard. What we like? It includes a saw and screwdriver, allowing for more complex cardboard creations. If you want a kit that encourages creativity and problem-solving skills, this is a great option. It's perfect for kids who enjoy building and designing their own unique structures. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.